Hello students, today I am going to teach class 11th subject biology chapter name is chapter 4th chapter name is animal kingdom. A remaining of topic from the chapter 4th animal kingdom, difference between chordata and non-chordata. What is difference between chordata and non-chordata? A chordata vertebral column. Vertebral column are present in chordata, vertebral column absent in non-chordata. Okay. Second point, the central nervous system is hollow and dorsal in position in chordata, and central nervous system is solid and ventral in position in non-chordata. Okay, heart is ventral in position in chordata and heart is dorsal in position in non-chordata. Gills slight are present in chordata, gills slight are absent in non-chordata. Hemoglobin present in red blood corpuscles in chordata. Hemoglobin, if present, is dissolved in plasma. And last point of chordata, a post anal tail is found. Anal tail is found, but in non-chordata, anus is posterior in position. So no post anal tail is found. In non-chordata, anus tail not found, but chordata tail is found. Okay, it is the difference between chordata and non-chordata. Then next topic is the phylum of Pisces. Phylum of Pisces. A Pisces, Latin Pisces means fish. In general characteristic of Pisces, these are aquatic vertebrates. Body of these animals is covered by scales. Body is streamlined to swim in water. Respiration takes place by means of gills. Respiration takes place by gills. Heart is two-chambered. It is called the venous heart. Venous heart found in fish. Animals have paired pectoral pelvic fins beside two dorsal fins are also present. Okay, then tympanic membrane is not found in the Pisces phylum. Animals are cold-blooded. Cold-blooded. Okay, for example of the phylum Pisces, fish, Scoliodon, dogfish. Scoliodon is also known as dogfish. Then fish, Pyristes, Trigon, or Chimera, Torpedo, many examples of the species. Okay, then next is the amphibia, phylum Amphibia. What is amphibia? Most amphibians have two phases of their life. In their first phase, larval stage, and they are fish-like aquatic form. But in the adult phase, they move about on land with four limbs, respire by means of the lungs and skin. For breathing, they return to water. Egg and sperm are laid in water, and the fertilized egg develop into tadpole larva. Tadpole larva. Type of amphibians. There are three types of living amphibians. Tailless frog, toad, just like a toad, and tailed newts, salamanders, and the limbless burrowing form Apoda. Animals live only the tropic and are not often seen because of their excretive habits. So, general characteristic of the phylum Amphibia. These are animals which can live both land and land and water. It is main factor. Then body is divided into head, trunk and tail. Adult amphibians are tetrapods with two pairs of limbs and skin is soft, slimy and naked. Exoskeleton and scales are absent. Skin also serve as an accessory respiratory organs. Endoskeleton is bony. Skull is dicondylic. Eye are provided with movable eyelid. Movable eyelid. Then ear consists of outer membrane is known as tympanum. Tympanum. What is tympanum? Consists of an outer membrane. Ear consists of an outer membrane is known as tympanum. Tympanum. The kidney is mesonephric and uricotelic. Corneal nerve are 10 in number. Animals are cold-blooded. So, it is the characteristic of the phylum amphibians. Then, next class of reptilia. Reptilia, these are cold-blooded vertebrates with elongated, low-stature body. They are usually seen creeping or crawling on the ground or land. Class Reptilia has more instinct than living species. They are true landforms and need not return to water to reproduce. For examples, lizard, reptiles, lizard, snakes. So it is the reptilia. It is the creeping or crawling on the ground. The main characteristic of the reptilia. Reptiles are first fully terrestrial animal with dry, horny, scaly and impervious skin. And it is the snakes, lizard. Okay, the limb pentadactyl, each limb with 5 digit ending to claw. Respiration takes place only with the help of lungs. Gills are absent. Gills are found in echinodermata, fish, just like fish. Heart is 3-chambered. They are cold-blooded animals. They are mostly terrestrial, but some are aquatic. So, RBC are unnucleated. Body can be divided into head, trunk and tail. Sexes are separated. Sex organs are separated. Then next class is aves. Aves just like a bird. Members of the class aves are characterized by the presence of feather and power of flight. It is the main characteristic of class aves. General characteristic of aves. Class aves, body is covered with feather. Projection ear is absent. 4 limbs are modified into wings. Feather form a exoskeleton. Bones are pneumatic or porous. Powerful flight. Honey break in beak is present in the head. Respiration takes place by means of the lungs. Okay. Heart is 4-chambered. Kidney is metanephric and trilobed. Nervous system well developed. Eye valves are well developed. These are oviparous. The bird is oviparous. For example, the pigeon of name is the columba and pao, plochus. So it is the main avian bird. So then next class is Mammalia. Mammalia means breast, found breast. So, general characteristic of the mammalia. These primitive egg-laying animals' mammary gland are present but without nipples, and each pinna are absent. Ear pinna are absent. Corpus callosum is absent in brain. Testes are found towards abdomen. They are oviparous. Just for example, Echidna platypus. Echidna platypus. The class Metatheria, for example, kangaroo. Eutheria, man. Eutheria in subclass Eutheria, man, monkey, cow, buffalo, camel, elephant, lion. These are examples of the Eutheria. General characteristic of Eutheria is the marsupium absent, mammary gland well developed, corpus callosum absent in brain, urinogenital organs found outside the body. They give birth to well developed. Embryo development takes place inside the ovary. Placenta present in the man, monkey, cow, buffalo animals. Okay, these are the class Eutheria. So some important topic. Dolphin. What is dolphin? Is the second most intelligent mammals and has very high learning power. Blue whale is the largest mammal. Elephant is the largest land mammal. Water shrew is the smallest mammal. Cheetah is the fastest mammal. And vampire are blood-sucking bats. Tiger, animal of India. It is the national animal of the world, India. And benthos is the organism living on the bottom of the water bodies. Fossil is the burrowing animals. Holozoic animal ingesting solid food. Okay, these are chapters are completed. 4th chapter completed. Okay, students, today next times I will take next chapters, new chapters, 5th chapter. Okay, students, thank you.